Welcome to this demo. First, we log into the Odoo system. Once we enter, the Odoo menu appears, as mentioned before, for the Odoo system user. From here, we are redirected to the login page. We log into the system, and all of this is part of the Odoo environment. The first section that appears is the products section. Here, we have the product list, the customer's total number of products, the product name, the SKU, the price, and the product data based on variants. These are the details related to those variants. After that, we have the pagination system. There are 8,300 products here, divided into 167 pages with 50 products on each page.
We also have options to add a product, edit a product, select products for editing, add new products, and import data. There is an option to import product variants, as well as an option to export all products. We also have filters by marketplaces and an option to send products to marketplaces. We also have the variants view. These are all the variants, with a total of 37,000 variants divided into 753 pages. There is also a section for product and variant attributes and another section for product categories. If we need to add a new product, we upload the product. As for the customer's view, it follows the same pagination system, but here only 20 customers are displayed per page.
Next, we move to orders and their details. Here, we have the customer details and the order details. After that, we have the order line details, followed by the total amount and payment details. For invoicing, once all orders are invoiced, they are recorded here so that we can later generate reports based on them. Now, we move to the Amazon section, the Amazon account data, and Amazon products, which includes 1,797 products with their own pagination system. We also have plans and Amazon inbound plans, which are related to Amazon FBM and FBA programs. Here, the account data appears. These are the accounts we use for integration, such as Shopify.
When we click Add New Account, the Shopify data appears. If we need to add MediaMarkt, we add an account. In the case of Odoo, adding a new account will retrieve its related data. Each marketplace has its own required data, such as Allegro, which can also be added. All of this data comes from the database and the backend. The same process applies to every marketplace, as each marketplace has its own field data. In the app installation section, if we need to create a direct connection with Amazon, we click here, and the system immediately redirects us to create the connection with Amazon. This option is for synchronization, in case we want to enable or disable syncing with any marketplace.
The shipping section includes orders that have been shipped or processed for shipping, in case we want to view the order inside the Odoo system. There is also a list of the shipping companies we've integrated with, such as DHL, DHL Parcel, DPD, and GLS. We also have the new Compare section, which compares the product with the template. If there is an issue with a product, these are the products that we need the customer to review, whether they are unmatched or matched products. These are the users to whom we have granted access to the system. These are the connection settings with the backend. Finally, we have the logout option, which takes us back outside the system. And with that, the process is complete.